So guys, you could either go to Google and then type in WhatsApp web, and you can use WhatsApp on your web browser, or you can download the WhatsApp application from the Microsoft Store. It's up to you what you want to go with. I'm going to be demonstrating with WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store. So just go to search, type in Microsoft Store, click on it. Now once we're here, you want to search for WhatsApp and then click on WhatsApp. Then you want to install WhatsApp and then just open it up. Once this comes up, click on login. There are two ways to log in, either by scanning the QR code on your phone with the WhatsApp application, or you can log in with your phone number. So just type in your phone number here, select your country code, and then follow through the steps. You want to open up WhatsApp on your phone and then click on the three lines in the top right. Now you want to click on linked devices. Once this comes up, you want to select link a device. You want to point your phone camera to the QR code that you see on screen. It will then scan it for you, or you can link with a phone number instead. If you decide to link with a phone number, to get your code, you want to go to WhatsApp on the web or on another device and then click link with phone number, then just follow through the steps.